Hello, welcome. Good to know you're there. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Thank you for helping all the time. So the last class or the last video, I considered this, we solved this, simplifying these questions by rationalizing them. So I already started with this. I left you to solve this, to try your hands on this. I don't know if you did, but if you didn't, please do. You have a short time to do that. Just pause the video and try your hands on it. Now meanwhile, let's take this off the board. So we'll have this going. So that's done. Okay, let's try this. So we want to simplify this by rationalizing the denominator. I've already said what rationalization is. It means to make the denominator a rational number, which is the same thing as making it a whole number. And the way we do that is to multiply both the numerator and the denominator with the surd of the denominator. In the case where the entire denominator is a surd, yes, just go ahead and do it. So in this case, that is the exact thing, the entire denominator is a surd. So let's go. So we have 30 divided by the square root of 72 times the square root of 72. So we're going ahead to rationalize this question. So this times is just like the other, will give you 30 times the square root of 72 all over 72 times 72 will give you 72. So the square root of 72 times the square root of 72 is like saying 72 times 72 squared. Sorry, the square root of 72 times 72, which gives us 72. We've done that previously, so just check the previous videos. So here now, what do we have? We have to work on this man. So what is it going to be? Let's come here. What is 72? 72 is like 36 times 2. And what is 36? 36 is 6 times 6 times 2. Am I correct? Yes. 6 times 6 is 36. So 72 is this. So I can use any of the two, right? I think this one is simpler because I've broken it down already. So what we'll have here is going to be 30 times 6 times 6 times 2. But don't forget the square root sign, because it will actually 6 times 6 times 32 will give you this. You understand? So we'll go ahead with 72. So with this now we'll have to separate them. Give this each its separate square root sign. And that will bring us to this place where we'll have it as 30 times the square root of 6 times the square root of 6 times the square root of 2 all over 72. So coming here, just like we did with this, the square root of this times the square root of this will just give us 72. So 6, the square root of 6 times the square root of 6 will give us 6. So what we'll have here is going to be 30 times square root of 6 times square root of 6 will be, it's just like saying the square root of 36 is 6 times square 2 all over 72. In case you don't understand, let me pick here again. Here means the square root of 6 times the square root of 6. If you put it together, it's like saying 6 times 6, which is 36. So what's the square root of 36? 6. So this is the same thing as this. So this has become this 6, right? So let's go. So 30 times 6 times square root of this. But how do we go first? We can break it down. But what is 2, 3 times 2 is 0, 3, 6 times 3 is 18. So we have like 180 over 72. What can go? But before we make it so large, let's start slashing it. That is my style. Instead of multiplying and then dividing again, let's start breaking it down to lowest term. So let's see how many 6 can go into this place. 6 here, 1, 6 here, 1, remainder 1 into 12, 2. So that means 6 here, 1 into 12, put from here becomes 2. 12, 6 can go to 76, 12 times. So this is gone. So what we now have, this is remaining 12 now, remaining 12. So 3 can go, 3 here is 4, 3 here is 10, 3 is 4, 3 is 10, 2 can still go, 2 here is 2, 2 here is what? 5. What remains to have? 5 times 2, so 5 times root 2 all over 2. From here, we can move any further. 1, let's check. 1, put a 12, 6 into 12 is 2, 12. So 12, yeah, okay, 4, and this. So there's no way we can go here. So the answer will end in 5 root 2 all over 2. This is the final answer. So if you have a question, you have a comment, you have a thumbs up, please give the thumbs up. You want to share, please share, like, and make a comment or say whatever you want to say. But thank you so much for your watch time. Tell your friends about it. Great Light Academy, you have your maths simplified. Thank you. Let's see in the next video.